Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you a version of single leg rocking that, well, I just really like it. And I like it because it's like crawling. So, crawling in place. So single leg rocking is just where you get on your hands and knees and you just throw a leg back like a kickstand for support, and you can rock back and forth. And this is fantastic for, well, pressing reset on your body, strengthening your nervous system, but also working one side from the other. So if I want to work the left hip, I would rock on the left hip, or if I wanted to work the left knee or give the left ankle some love, while I really also challenge the stability of my pelvis, I would rock on the one side. Then if I wanted to really challenge my body, I could take off and go rock contralaterally. So it'd be single leg rocking and single arm rocking, you got it. And I would rock here. And I like this because I can throw the gait pattern into it. So it's kind of like crawling in place. And you'll just feel wonderful things happen through your center or your core. And obviously, you could work both sides, and you want to work both sides naturally, so that both sides get equal love and affection, but it also makes sure that you're stable from one side to the other through the pelvis. And again, we can just throw in that gait pattern, contralaterally loading the body, sharpening our reflexive strength, strengthening our shoulders, our hips, our knees, our ankles. It is just a fantastic way to rock, press reset on your nervous system and your body, and just strengthen your body in general and get it ready to move, or to help your body recover after a lot of movement. Fantastic movement, single leg rocking with the gait pattern, or rocking and crawling at the same time is really what it is. Anyway, give that a shot. Let me know what you think. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength workshop. Visit originalstrength.net.